Let's now understand YAML file configurations in dbt. There are two kind of YAML files which we generally see in our dbt projects, dbt project.yaml and profile.yaml. The dbt project.yaml file is the central configuration file and the brain of any dbt project. It's mandatory file that identifies a directory as a dbt project and tells dbt how to operate, where to find files and how to build your data models. Let's see this file in dbt and understand by its core functions. First one is project identification. It defines the project unique name and version. And next one here is directory management. It defines the paths where dbt should look for models, analysis, seeds, test, macros, and snapshots. And the third one is model configurations. It sets project-wide defaults for how models are built. For example, making all the models in a specific folder materialize as table or views. Next type of file is profile.yaml. This file is mandatory file when we are working for dbt core, but as we are working with dbt cloud, we don't really need to bother about this file. Project YAML file manages database connections and contains specific connection details for different environments. This is how sample project file looks like.